Hi, good morning. It's Brad. I just wanted to do a little video on protection. So oftentimes we're actually working on a house today that is going up for on the real estate market. So tomorrow they're actually walking through all the realtors. So somebody found a drywall crack that needed to be repaired. So rather than damaging or getting dust on the floor here, we would rather just cover it up 100%. So the first thing that we do is we protect the floor here. So we've actually taped down plastic here. And then on top of that, we put a layer of rosin paper. All right, and then we take our plastic and we actually seal it all the way around so no dust can come and it can fall and get on the other side. You can see here we're scraping sheetrock dust and there's no dust in here. So we have it 100% sealed, but for the purposes of the video, I've pulled it back here. So you can see we actually taped on all sides all the way around the ceiling here. Okay, so no dust can get out of there. And this is actually one sheet of plastic that goes all the way around. So from this corner, it goes all the way around at one piece, and then back to here, and then it gets sealed. Okay, so you see how no dust can get out of here, right? Especially when it's sealed here, right? No, that's impossible. So that's what we are trying to do. So anyway, to work on this this little crack here, what we had to do was just a kind of a hairline crack, but it was right at the top of the stairway. So what we have done is we have started to remove the tape here, and we're kind of like chiseling back some of the old mud. So we're still working on this area right here, but eventually it's going to look a little bit more like this. So we've got that right there is about 2.5 inches wide, and we've got about 1/8 of an inch of mud that we removed to get back down to the original drywall. And that's going to provide the protection for our tape. So we're going to actually take our fiberglass tape now, and we're going to stick that up to that. And then we're going to mud over the top of that. So we'll probably put like 2 coats of 20-minute hot mud. And then we got a primer and paint. All that's got to be done today. That's why we're using hot mud. So you can kind of see the process that he's using. Just peeling back the old tape and scrape back the mud. So anyway, just wanted to show mostly the protection here. That happens to be the project that we're working on. So we got a stairway down here. So, you get a lot of air traveling up, and so that's why we seal everything 100%. Another little trick is when your plastic wants to blow in on you, you can make a small slice, and then through that slice you can actually stick a piece of tape there, and you can see how that's now holding. See that? So that kind of helps your plastic stick to the sidewalls. Otherwise you'd end up with a really small area to work with in the middle. All right? So we put this down for impact resistance and also to catch the majority of the dust. So when you pull that up, I mean, you're practically talking like it's brand new here. So we put in these layers so that we don't have to do too much cleanup, and also just to protect the customer's job. So anyway, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.